Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's the Apple Watch and how to remove the Apple Watch strap. This then allows you to swap it for a new strap. If you turn your Apple Watch over, you've got this small button at the bottom and the top of the watch. If you push that down, you can just slide the strap across. And I'll just show you that in a bit more detail here. You've got this tiny little release button here on either end. So you're pushing that in gently with your nail. And then as you push it in, slide the watch strap away. And you'll see there where it locks into the button there. And that just helps lock it into place. To reinstall it, literally just slide it back in, and then that button clicks back into place and it holds the watch strap in place. And now you're ready to install your brand new watch strap. Now let's check my watch. Oh, time for a brew. In the top right is a video on how to install a new stainless steel Apple Watch strap on your Apple Watch. And in the top left, how to turn off live photos on your iPhone permanently. And in the bottom left, how to transfer voice memos off of your iPhone to your computer. Little Hand says it's time to rock and roll.